Hey guys, so here's the proof of concept. 410 board feet of black American cherry, or whatever you want to call it, black cherry. Locally harvested. Found the guy on Craigslist. I was able to find another tree. He had one already cut down. I was able to find another one in his woods that had the top blown out of it, also the same species. Luckily, he had a neighbor that was Amish. So, had the Amish guy saw it for about 25 cents a board foot, and thought, where am I going to dry this stuff? Well, it ended up in my living room, believe it or not. So December 5th, this wood was put in my living room and stickered and stacked just the way you see it here behind me. And it took, what, how many days is that? December 5th to... So generally speaking, it takes a year to season or cure, dry, whatever you want to call it. It takes a year to dry out wood that's approximately 1 inch thick. That's the rule of thumb. So apparently here in Ohio, with the humidity being in the 20 to 30% range in my home here, you're able to dry at least black cherry to about a 5 to 6% moisture content in 2 months. That's amazing. I thought it would take at least 3 months. So here we are, ready to start some projects. And my first project is going to be some live edge floors. So, I think the best way to explain the live edge floors
is to engage Wood Elf mode. Some trees don't grow straight. They can have some curve to them. You know, you don't find that many straight lines in nature. And what live edge floors are is when you find two pieces of wood that sort of match. Live edge floors are cool because they take advantage of the natural curve that wood has. Maybe find one that's closer. Oh, that's probably the closest one. Make them match the best you can. So, when you cut wood, there are different ways to mill it, but essentially you're slicing it this way. And then you end up with a bunch of slices that are crooked. So what you would normally do is cut at the straight pieces. So this is mostly straight from here to here. And you would cut that off, and then you would have a piece here that would be mostly straight. Well, live edge floors take advantage of the fact that, you know, trees have a curve. So what you do is you find a piece that matches, oh, there you go, as close as you can. And then you don't have to make shorter pieces. See, look at those. They match pretty well. And then maybe this one can go here. Close, but not quite. So what you would do in that case is you would try to make it match with removing as little wood as possible. And it's like a jigsaw puzzle. So maybe we would trim this piece to match like that. So that's a live edge floor. What's good about live edge floors is that when you mill your own lumber, you can use all of it, or most of it. So now let's try to focus on how this would be done with, lumber. So here's your board, has some curve. So this is a flat piece, 1 inch thick. I was never very good at drawing. So it's 1 inch thick. And it has all this curve to it. So, how do we match another board that doesn't quite fit the curve? Let's say it goes like this. Well, in this case, So you straighten it some. And then what you do is you overlay this board with this board. And then you draw your line. The same, you trace this line that's cut into this board onto this board. And then you cut that. Okay? So now, you can take this board and put it over here. And you will have, hopefully, a perfect match. But the trick to it is the artistry of following these natural curves. When you cut this, that you try to keep the natural curve as much as possible. It will never be perfect. But that's what's cool about it. It's not perfect. So, the tree was sliced like this. So there's several things you have to deal with in that case. You're going to have a little bit of bark here, depending on the diameter of the tree. So these slices don't have that much curve, the ones in the center. So what you're going to have to do is at least square up the edges. So you'll have to take this section of bark off. There are some live edge floors where they use epoxy and they leave the bark in there, but that's a little bit too rustic for me. So when you do this trim, what you need to do is you need to pick your line. You need to follow the line of the bark, but you also want to have an artistic line. You don't want it to be perfectly straight here and then sort of go back in, and because that's where the bark goes. What you want to do is have as smooth a transition as possible, so that when you find your next piece, it has to be aesthetic, because this is the curve that you're going to see in your floor. So, 2 goals. 1, make it look aesthetic. 2, get rid of the bark and square up the edges. So maybe you've got some more bark here, so you've got another piece of bark. So you follow that same thing and you do the same thing over here. So now you just lost these pieces. So this is what's left. So you're going to find another piece. See if I can draw this. And this one happens to be a little more straight. They end up looking like pieces of bacon. So, in this case, maybe you don't want to use this one with this one. Or, let's just pretend that this one's already been trimmed. This is a good piece. This side looks like it might match fairly well with this side. So what you're going to want to do is flip it over, lay it over top of the other board, and follow that line. So trace that line into this board. Okay? So you'll take this board, set it on top of this board, and trace that line exactly. And then trim the other board to match. So, but you don't want to deviate too far from the natural shape of the wood. It's all very artistic. You have to make it look aesthetic. But in honesty, in some cases it will be easier because you have mostly straight pieces. Or you have pieces that really match pretty closely, naturally. Because remember, when you slice these up, this natural curve, you'll be able to use maybe this piece with this piece with this piece, and they'll line up because they all have the same curve, similar curve. So again, it's about being a little bit more artistic than normal when you're doing floors. But you're going to end up with a unique piece of furniture, wood, whatever, floors. So the trick in this is getting all of these pieces laid out, coming up with an approximate layout of how you want to find the ones that match as close as possible. And here's where the advantage is. Because you can use such long pieces of wood, you'll end up, when you mill, you'll end up with far longer pieces of wood. Why is that? Well, because normally, as I explained before, normally when you have a curved piece like this, you're seeking straight pieces. So there is a straight, and then maybe from here to here is a straight piece. Okay? Make that a little bit more clear. From here, and then here to here. So you essentially have a short piece in here, and then you've wasted some of it when you milled it because of the curve. Well, you have now long pieces because you've kept them in their natural state, the way they were meant to be. And you've lined them up the best that you could, finding the matches for each, lock them up in the room, and figure out your dimensions of your room. And then there, you've mostly got the room filled. So one aspect of this that makes it quicker in some regard is that you can use a massive plank. You can leave these things in their natural length. So instead of having, 3 or 4 or 5 pieces lengthwise in the room per section, you can what's the word? You can use them in their full length, which means less individual pieces. So instead of having 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, whatever, instead of having multiple pieces, you have individually fit pieces. So you can have a 12-foot long board and another 12-foot long board. So you can do multiple square feet in less space. Hopefully that makes sense to everyone. Now, for those of you who have not done much woodworking, this probably isn't, or carpentry, this probably isn't the project for you. Another issue. The other issue is when you have wide pieces like this. When you have wide pieces like this, it may be too wide to get in a normal planer. They could be, as wide as they are, whatever they are. So then you're going to run into an issue there. So how you resolve that is you build one of these. trim the bark pieces off, match the pieces together, and then just use a floor sander.